Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can see with the title, so today's video is going to be a Teej makeup tutorial which I have created using only products from Maybelline. So let's get started. So don't be afraid, it's me only. So yeah, I have dyed my hair and I'm using a gel eyeliner from Maybelline for my eyebrow. So with the help of an ankle brush, I'll make an arch shape brow, and you can see my eyebrow is very thin. So I'm drawing a line little bit down from my actual brow, and I'll fill the spare parts. So I have done with both my brows, and I'm taking concealer from Maybelline in the shade medium, I believe, and I'll clean it up and apply it under my eyebrows. Same concealer I'm using all over my eye as an eye primer, and I'll set it out with a compact powder from Maybelline. So now I'm going to use Master Contour palette from Maybelline, and I'll take that contour shade and then put it above my eyelid and on my outer corner, focusing on the crease line only, above the crease line. So yeah. Now I'm taking an eyeshadow palette. It's a Maybelline 24K Nudes palette. I'm taking this brown shade and apply it over my crease line and blending it out with the help of a brush, focusing on my outer corner and my crease line, not all over my eye. Now from the same palette, I'll be using this dark black shade and then apply it on my outer corner, focusing only on my outer corner, and blend it out with the help of a brush. And yes, so now I'm going to apply concealer in my inner corner, trying to make an half cut crease with the help of a brush. Now from the same palette, I'll be using this golden shade and apply it on my eyelid and the inner corner. Yes, with the help of a brush, flat brush. For my lower lash, I'm using this black shade and golden shade in my inner corner. And now moving towards my towards the eyeliner, I'm using here Hyper Glow liquid eyeliner from Maybelline, and yes, I'll apply it on my eye and make a winged eyeliner. So let's add some mascara. It's Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Mascara. I'm using illuminating cream from Maybelline Master Strobing Cream and apply it all over my face. And then moving to some foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundations in the shades 115 Ivory, and blend it out with the help of a brush. And moving towards my concealer, here I'm using a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 10 Light, and then blend it out with the help of a beauty blender and a brush. And to set my concealer, I'm using compact powder from Maybelline. Contour our face, I'm using here Maybelline Master Contour palette. So let's contour our face and apply some blush with the same palette. Okay, let's contour our nose as well. Yeah, and moving towards the highlighter, I'm using this illuminating cream which I applied in the beginning. So making a dot on my cheekbone, on my nose, some in my forehead, and on my forehead and up above the lips, and yeah, on my chin, yeah. And blend it out. I like highlighter, guys, it's amazing. so it will give an instant glow in your face. Look at that. Oh wow. So yeah, false eyelashes done. Moving towards my lipstick. This lipstick is also from Maybelline. It's chili nude, and this is how it looks. So makeup is done, but I'm not ready yet. Excuse me, I'll be back. So this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.